Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Speedy on the mic. So, we're gonna be in a different key today. This is the third video. So, this is where we started, right? You know, this is for total beginners out there. So now, that's what I'm going to do. My shape. But I did right? I started out with my codes and shapes. Now we're in the third video. In this video, we are not going to add the fourth string yet, right? Because we need to master that third one. Because remember, a chord is made up of more than one note. So from two, we can say it's a chord. But kazhinji, three chords, three notes. Yeah, not a chord. And it even notice on my keyboards, wire, you know that. So we need to understand that. Keep up by those three strings. So tikati. That one, you know, it was just like that. This, you see where it's gonna go. It has not matured yet into its full chord shape. But this one, you need it and we're gonna use it a lot. You know, for now, let's just say it's a C major shape, open C major shape. We'll get there. It's not my, you know. To repeat this one. That's C major shape. But for now we are here. So it's then where do we go from there? So we have that's 4, right? And we have 5. So in this way, we can start to actually create melodies, you know, because we now have, you know, a shape of our chord, you know, so we can go like, thirds, these are thirds. So we only use this 1, 4, 1, 5. So just play around these notes here. We have create something from there. You are teaching yourself now. You have the map, but you have to walk it, you know, you have to walk the road. Do anything you can. So what you're doing now, you understand these two things, the combination, you understand the combination of these two, and you also understand the combination of all the 3 strings, right? So you can go like, another thing, these opens that I'm using here, being helped with a couple. So don't be confused with that. You can just go like without the opens, but the opens are just helping to glue everything like. But don't worry about the couple. Just play the note. So I hope that was helpful, you know, to idea, you know, how to create and what is needed to create, you know. Spirit on the mic, peace.